What's your class devoted to this evening?
Beauty. To do with all the senses, taste, touch, smell, hearing. I've got some music I'm going to play. Then we go on to beauty of ideas and beauty of inner qualities of people and beauty of conduct, things, you know, really important things, which are all connected with the same sort of beauty, so it's just a different form.
I'd love to find out how your students are going to respond to all these delights.
Yeah, I think they quite like it, actually. Take the covers off. And all of this is to do with the idea of beauty, you see. What is beauty? Where do we find it? Is there such a thing as absolute beauty? Why do philosophers consider beauty important? Because they do. And then you experience something. And if you consider it to be beautiful, then it sort of grabs you there, doesn't it? It does something to it.
And the beautiful relationship they
That's
have.
right.
So I can't just visually appreciate the cut flowers.
No.
I'm feeling her.
Yes. Yeah. But it takes you a step further, doesn't it? It takes you beyond the flower.
Leonardo exhibition had sold out.
Yes.
And I thought, well, there is, you know, people go to that for the beauty of it and
I think so.
and
Fun.
probably to be nourished
Yeah.
by it.
Yeah.
And so I felt a lot of hope when I heard that.
Good.
Although I haven't got a ticket.
You haven't got a ticket.
You know, the conduct of people, or people that you see, or things that you experience, you can sort of. And I think that he says something about a divine connection. I think I really agree with that. It almost lifts you to a point in which you think
You can recognise something in them, creativity and style and flair, beyond the sort of normal parameters of...
It's really complicated to explain to anyone why I love mathematics, because it's not like a flower. You can't say it's beautiful. It's like yellow and it has, you know, the petals and everything, but it's just a thought, so it's really hard to capture it, but it's something you connect with.
It's the beauty that's behind the object.
Yes.
So like the flower will change every moment and eventually all the petals will drop off. But the beauty itself is the thing which sort of is behind it.
Yes. Yeah.
I don't know explain this very well.
What do you think is behind it? That's so beautiful.
I don't know, I'd possibly say God, but that might be a bit dramatic.
It creates the form of whatever beauty is.
Yeah.
I think previously we talked in the park about energy and what that's like. I'm trying to interpret that some way with
power or force as well. So like, I know when Alfred showed me this flower, like the first thing I thought was that I don't actually appreciate the flower as much as when I think about what the process is behind it, and the ecosphere and the ecology and how that connects with the environment. And that sort of magnificence of creation, whether you want to call that spiritual or not, is
what you see is you. Really.
Well, it's beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah. That there's something beautiful that we can all share, even though it didn't exist in my mind when I was composing the music, but we can
My heads are naturally cluttered with this and everything else. And then seeing this beautiful thing, it's just this sudden, it's pure.
Maybe it is reflecting yourself. Maybe that's what your real self looks like. Wow.
But my favourite thing that went round was the chocolates. So that's kind of opened my mind a little bit to discover other senses where you can find beauty.
That's right. And why do you keep coming here?
Why do I keep coming here?
Yeah.
Just the beautiful thoughts, of course.
There you go.